Welcome to Sensory Technologies, and thank you for learning more about us. As organizations grow and expand, their challenges become much more complex. This makes communication and collaboration vital to their success. Sensory Technologies partners with our clients to infuse their culture with visual technology solutions that amplify collaboration and simplify life. We continually seek and evaluate offerings from the largest, most trusted manufacturers to the newest, most innovative developers. Our solutions are endless.
More and more people are getting used to interacting over video. Kids these days are growing up with video. They're growing up looking at the people they're talking to. So as we move forward, companies are going to expect to just see who they're talking to. Traditionally, you always had to do that from the most expensive room in the building, and now you carry around a device with you that allows you to do it from anywhere. And so our goal is to make it as easy as possible and as accessible as possible and as interoperable as possible to allow you to connect to anybody, anywhere, any device. Our goal for our customers is to evaluate their needs, and with video conferencing, it's no different. We're not just connecting people point to point. We are providing a solution to allow our customers to truly collaborate.
In order to be successful in today's business world, companies need to be able to do at least two things really well: communicate efficiently and collaborate effectively. Unfortunately, doing those two things can be difficult. There are many technologies available that help to support these activities, but they can be complex and difficult to understand. That's where we come in. Our Adopt program offers on-site support services where we can be the experts so that businesses can focus on prospering instead of having to deal with learning complex and complicated systems. Our on-site support services allow meeting organizers, meeting managers to focus on the outcome of the meeting instead of worry about the technology.
Focus is a digital signage service that's offered in the cloud. People typically think of digital signage as a display with information. We like to think of it as a strategic opportunity for a company to quickly and effectively communicate their messaging. And that could be through something like a performance board, an executive leadership announcement, advertising a product or a service, or an important message from HR or marketing. So our clients came to us and asked us for a solution that was flexible and easy to use. We built Focus as a solution to support their needs.
I would describe AV design and integration like this. We pair our design engineers with our business development managers to go and assess client needs and maybe specific pain points within their organization. And then our engineers come back and work with our hardware and software manufacturers. They use math, science, and industry best practices to come up with a specific AV design tailored exactly to the client's specific AV need. We offer a wide range of solutions in the AV design area. It could be as simple as a projector, a flat panel on a wall, all the way up to a multi-million-dollar command and control room with a 40-foot by 30-foot video wall with high-end digital signal processing. AV integration isn't just simply audio and video anymore. It really means integration with our clients' networks, infrastructure, lighting, sound, just the overall environment that we're trying to integrate into ensures that our clients get their projects delivered on time, on budget, and it also fits the need that they brought to us.
The demand for video has skyrocketed. Sensory has responded to our clients' needs for more video by developing an on-site media services solution. We place highly qualified experts in video editing, production, and distribution on-site to become immersed in a client's culture, to understand what their strategy is in their communication, and to work closely with our clients to tell their story, whether it be executive leadership communication, internal training, social media, or external advertising. There's a wide range of needs companies have to tell their story in a meaningful and impactful way.
So you've experienced our solutions. Now this is what truly makes us unique.
Embrace is a philosophy that really touches everything we do as an organization. It shows that we care about how our clients actually use the technology. Not that they understand how the wires and the displays and the cameras and the speakers are all wired together. They don't need to know that, but they do need to use the technology because it's about what the potential that technology has to give them a competitive edge in their industry. I think Embrace is fundamentally present when we have genuine conversations with our clients, when we really sit with them and try to understand what their initiatives are, what their end game is, what is it they're trying to achieve. And when we do that, and we better understand their organization and the way people work within their organization, then we can help find ways to reduce the barriers to the use of that technology. If you're just thinking about where do we hang the displays and how many of them do we need, it's easy to get lost in all the sleek, glitzy technology and sometimes forget that it's an empowerment to a communication strategy within the organization. The sooner we can form that partnership and have those genuine conversations, the better for everybody. It helps us design the type of solution that will be accepted in their organization, that will be embraced by people in the organization, and it helps the client set some benchmarks to know they're on the path to achieve that metric change that matters to them, that's important to them, that again will give them that competitive edge.
Every time we deploy a solution, we support it with our Sensory Technologies Aftercare program. In order to do that, our Client Solutions Center is available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. When we receive a call, we do our best to triage that call and solve it remotely if possible. As soon as we identify that it's something that needs on-site support, we dispatch a technician and get somebody on-site to resolve it. Our Client Solutions Center has been staffed with technical experts that are certified in our industry. We pride ourselves on workmanship and we make sure that we solve the problem permanently the first time.
How do we assure quality at Sensory? First of all, we have a highly passionate workforce, people that really care about what they want to do. But they're also supported by both education and process. Our ST9000 program is based upon methodology supported by AQAV and Lean Six Sigma principles. We have more than 40 certifications in both CTS and MCSE areas. The Infocom Apex certification recognizes companies who have achieved certain levels of employee certifications, positive customer feedback, and a commitment to fostering communication with clients. In addition, it requires us to meet or exceed ANSI and ISO standards in AV design. We've met all these requirements, and Sensory Technologies is one of less than 35 Apex certified companies in the world.
Sensory Technologies can help you and your organization amplify and simplify.